interrupt. Bad news, Marty's in every shot.
I'm sorry, what?
You know, Marty going very back. He's in the entire movie, every shot.
How do you manage that?
He's just in the wrong place.
Do we have the rushes? I want to see this.
Yeah, we can roll now.
Okay, I want the screen, please. Oh, come on. Why would you took that shot? Oh, come on. Who hired this goofball? I want to know who's responsible. Come on, answer. It doesn't matter. We're just going to have to reach the scene before Matt's all back. Okay, let's do this. Double time.
Okay, it's just we have to reach in the first few seconds of the rubbery scene, so it shouldn't take too long. Drivers, continue your positions, and Dave, I will need a crew member to reset the rally car again.
Yeah, Marty can do it. Marty, go set the car. Thank you.
Marty, reset the rally car?
Yes, Marty.
No. I'm not getting in my car.
He just pulled every single time he does that.
He's getting in the car.
Oh no!
Ellie,
Yeah?
I got a tiny problem.
What kind of tiny problem?
The throttle's kind of stuck.
What?
Stop, help me. Help me.
Oh my god, Marty! Oh my god, he's a good driver! Okay.
Hollywood stunt. What? That's an accident.